Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Emily Shigeko Kumagai, and I'm proud to be a 2022 Nisei Week princess.
Okay, so then the sauce, they're gonna have to make the sauce from scratch. Thank you, sir. What is your name, sir? Character or your actual name? Don't believe so. But maybe you wanna use it as a garnish? I don't know. Because the criteria that we're gonna judge on, that the judges are going on, is taste, shape, texture, presentation, and creativity. All right, 10 points per category, 50 points total. Judges are going to announce the winners after we tally up the scores. Each team is going to have 10 minutes.
Okay. That's a credit card.
I don't know. There's 3 judges, but they're going to make some judgments. That's what's going on, okay? Keep them on. Thank you. Keep them on for donating. What is that equivalent to? Is that like a meeting? Is that like a meeting? Okay.
So you want to get your pan hot?
Brandon, yeah, very fitting for you.
Perfect. And I think these ones here are worth 2 points.
That was way too hot.
There you go. There you go. And now I'm gonna introduce the judges who are gonna judge the gyoza making contest. You've seen them before, you love them, you know them. It's in Lawrence stores too. They're gonna be judging the gyoza competition, and the contestants who are gonna be performing this gyoza competition is your 2021 Nisei Week court. Get on out here, girl.
And we're supporting Nisei Week, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow at closing ceremony. Thank you all so much.
Any other paper dishes for the sauces? All right, so it's bubbling, it's steaming, we got a good steam going.